Hello, I'm Sangah Noona. Why I talk like this? Actually, I don't really usually talk like this, but I'm going to teach you something really dramatic, tense, but beautiful. Using what? Just 3 chords. Let's dive in. Just now, because it's so easy. We're gonna use just 3 chords, just 3. D minor and B flat major 7, which is okay. Did you see that? Did you see that? The other 3 notes, except that bass B flat, everything is just same as D minor. Ooh, okay, all right, gotcha. All right. So D minor again, and B flat major 7, and next chord will be D minor slash C. D minor right hand and left hand C. That's it. So let's listen to the sound. Just focus on sound. Listen. D minor. B flat major 7. D minor slash C. Ooh. Okay, what we're gonna do is, because we just saw that B flat major 7 has B flat, left hand we has it, so we're not gonna play this right hand B flat here. So we're gonna just basically play right hand D minor, and D minor. What? Yes, that's it. Right hand will stay just D minor, and left hand will play just all these different roots, which is D, B flat, and C. One more time. D, B flat, and C. Right hand was just D minor. And from now on, you can do whatever you want, just using these chords. Ooh. Octave. Ooh, cooler, isn't it? How about broken chords, arpeggios? Go louder, so make it drama. How about 16th? Octave changes. Different arpeggios. Have fun practice. See you in the next video. By the way, I'm Sangah Noona. Get out of the box. What are you waiting for? Just come on. Let's start. I started piano when I was 5 years old, and I don't want to say it, but it's about more than 30 years. If you don't play different genre or different styles, then what are you gonna do? Just play the same song, the same style over and over? Why not try something new? Making music is about telling your story, but if you don't know what you're doing, then you just make sound, not the story. Why are you thinking that you're not enough? You're good enough. You're good enough. Your piano and you, that's it. Just have more conversation. You can try this and that. There's nothing harmful. Just try. This course is for everyone. Even beginners, you definitely can learn something here. I'm gonna help you to play jazz, tango, funk, pop, bossa nova, classical. It's all about freedom. Forget about everything and just play whatever it comes. Just listen and feel. Then you will definitely love more your piano. I'm Sangah Noona. I'm gonna help you play the music you love.